Good morning students. In this video we are going to discuss the chapters ratio and proportion. This is the third video on this chapter and today we are going to solve the exercise 9a from your book. Okay, so let's see the first question. It says that write these ratios in the simplest form. So what is simplest form? Simplest form is the lowest form of any fraction. Okay, so first we will convert this ratio into fractional form. So 12 upon 16 is equal to 12 by 16. Okay, and the next step is to see and to find out what is the HCF of 12 and 16. So let's find out 12 and 16 HCF. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 8 are 16, again 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. So what you got HCF here? 2 into 2, that is 4. So 4 is the HCF here, and after this you have to divide this HCF 4 in both the numerator and denominator. So divide 4 in the numerator and divide 4 in the denominator. Okay, so what you got here? 12 divided 4 is 3 and 16 divided 4 is 4. So 3 upon 4 is the fraction. Now you can write in the ratio form, that is 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. So 3 is to 4 is the lowest term or the simplest form of this ratio, that is 12 is to 16. Okay, now come to the next question, that is question number 4. 0.2 is to 0.8. So what is the ratio? 0.2 means 2 by 10 and 0.8 that means 8 by 10. So here 10 cancel because both are the same number. So what you got the fraction, that is 2 upon 8, and 2 upon 8 you have to divide. What is the next step? To divide the HCF of 2 and 8, that is 2. So 2 divide 2 and 8 divide 2. So 2 divide 2 is 1 and 8 divide 2 is 4. So what is the ratio or simplest form? That is 1 is to 4. So 1 is to 4 is the simplest form or the lowest form of the ratio, that is 0.2 is to 0.8. Now come to the next question. Here 1 centimeter is to 1 millimeter. First we have to convert into the same unit. So here centimeter is there and here millimeter is there. Convert into millimeter. The lowest unit is millimeter here. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter and is to 1 millimeter already there. So what is the ratio you got here? 10 by 1, that is 10 is to 1 is the simplest form of this ratio. Now look at this question number 10. It says that 1 hour is to 20 minutes. So what is the lowest unit here? That is minute, and we have to convert this hour into minute. So 1 hour equal to, as you know, it is 60 minute upon 20 minute here. So both are now in the same unit. So just minimize it. You will get 6 upon 2. Again you divide this HCF in both the fraction. What will get here? Because 6 and 2 HCF is 2 here. 6 divide 2 and 2 divide 2, that is 3 is to 1, and the ratio is 3 is to 1. Okay, now look at the question number 12. Rupees 5 upon 50 paise. So what is the lowest unit here? That is paise. So convert the rupees into paise. 5 rupees equal to 500 paise, and already 50 paise is in the denominator. Just minimize it or simplify it. What you got here? 50 upon 5. Again this is divisible by 5. 50 divide 5 and 5 divide 5. 50 divide 5 will be how much? That is 10, and 5 divide 5 will be 1. What is the ratio you got here? 10 is to 1 is the simplest form of this ratio, that is rupees 5 upon 50 paise. Yes student, now we are going to solve question number 2 from the same exercise, that is 9a. Look at question number 2. It is a word problem or a story problem. It says that a man earns 7500 rupees, means 7500 rupees per year in a year. So earns means that is the income. So he earns 7500 rupees per year and spends rupees 6300 per year. Find the ratio of, there are two questions given in the sub question, that is his income to his expenditure and his saving to his income. Okay, so first question is his income to his expenditure. Already in the question the income and the expenditure are given, so write income equal to how much? 7500 and expenditure equal to rupees 6300. So what is the first question? The ratio of income to expenditure. So income is 7500 upon, and what is the expenditure? That is 6300. 00 in both cases cut here. And what is the HCF of 675 and 63? We have to find out 75 and 63. What is the HCF? So both the numbers are divisible by, say, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15 and 3 2 ja 6 here, 3 1 ja 3. So 25 here and 21 here. So again it is not divisible in any number. Okay, so what you got? You divided 75 divide 3 and 63 divide 3. You got here, what is the fraction you got? 25 is to 21. 25 is to 21 is the fraction or the ratio. So question is asking in the ratio form, you have to write down. So 25 is to 21 is the ratio of the first question. Now come to the next question or second question, that it says that find the ratio of his saving to his income. So in the question saving is not given, so you have to find out the saving. Okay, in question 2, first you have to find out the what is the saving. So saving equal to, as you know, that is income minus what? Income minus expenditure. So income minus expenditure is the saving. This is the common formula. So income is given here 7500 and expenditure is given here 6300. Okay, so which amount we got here? 00 here, 5 minus 3 2, 6 7 minus 6 1. So 1200 is the saving of that person. Now it says that find the ratio of his saving to his income. So the ratio equal to, saving is got here 1200 and what is income? Income already given, that is 7500. Both 0 cut here, just minimize it. And what is the HCF of 12 and 75? 12 and 75. Both the number divisible in 3. So 3 4 ja 12 and 3 1 ja 3 here. 3 2 ja 6. So 3 5 ja 15 and you got here HCF, that is 3. So both the number will be divisible with 3. 12 divide 3 and 75 divide 3. So what you got here? That is 4 upon 25 and the ratio is 4 is to 25. So the answer of the second question is, what is the ratio of his saving to his income? That is 4 is to 25. Okay. Now come to the next question. It is also a word problem. Question number 3. A bag contains 5 kg of rice. 5 kg of rice. 1500 gram have been taken for cooking. What is the ratio of amount taken out to the amount left? Okay, already taken out amount is given, that is 1500 gram. So write all the quantities. So first figure is the total. So total rice rice equal to how much? That is 5 kg. And quantity taken out, how much? That is 1500 gram. Okay, now what is the amount left? Right here, quantity left equal to, so 5 kg is equal to how much? That is 5000 gram. So 5000 gram minus 1500 gram. So how much left? 0 0, both the case 0, and here 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3500 gram, 3500 gram left. The rice left after taking 1500 gram of rice, that is 3500 gram. Okay, now question asking what is the ratio of amount taken out. So we have to find out the ratio now. Therefore ratio of what? Ratio is, what is the ratio of amount taken out? So amount taken out already, that is 1500 gram upon, and to the amount left. So how much left? That is 3500 gram. Right here in the denominator, 3500 gram. So both case you see 0 0 cancel here, and both the HCF is 5. So HCF of both the number is 5. So divide with 5. 15 divide 5, that is 3, and 15 divide 35 divide 5, that is 7. So what is the ratio we got? That is 3:7, and that is the solution of this question. So question is asking the ratio, and the ratio we got here 3:7. Okay.